Alright, boys and girls, up here at the remote outpost again. I'm here right at the beginning of the snowstorm, so I'm actually going to take the broom and just broom off everything that's here. I should have did in front of the garage the last time I was here, but I did not, so let's turn the lights on. Now I can listen to that sit here and hum. And throw a battery back in the Pro 12. It's funny, I said I wasn't going to use this thing again after the last time. I've used it twice and I was more impressed with it. And didn't record it. First time the snow was frozen. Pretty sure this is the ground. Pretty sure this is positive. I would check the oil, but I don't have any to put in it anyhow. So, there we go. Neutralis. Ah ha ha ha. Okay, hold on. Can't believe a battery I just dropped in and didn't tighten the terminals, but have bad connections. Can't believe it, but I got to. Alright, let that sit there and warm up. See what 83 will do. Alright, so the only question I have, how much fuel is in this? Not a lot, okay. So I gotta open the front garage and get the gas can. But I can do that in a hot minute, so let me get everything moved out of here and we'll be right back after a short commercial break. Okay. To the back cave. I wish I had a blade on out here, but so this in here is going to take a few passes with that. I don't have a snowplow on right now, so. Alright, let me go in the garage here, get some gas before I run that out, and I'll be back again. Great, need the keys again. Darn it! Snow just blows in here. Great. We did get fuel oil. Awesome. Honestly, it might be worth it just to get 83 and blow it out of this corner. And I can be done with it. I can get the piles by the door too. I may go try that. Probably won't be video worthy, but I'll do it. Maybe I'll blow a spot out here in front of the Ranger too. I don't know what you guys are looking at. Got some gas in it. Perfect. Didn't lose the fuel cap. Awesome. I think maybe I will go get the blower just to be done. And here you thought you were going to get a break today, 83. Still need you, old girl. Okay. Snowblower. Engaged. Tires. Okay. I don't have any way to pump them up, to my knowledge. start going this way and I'll adjust the chute. It'd be nice to start out of the garage, but that's not what we have going on right now. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just line up, go across here, blow it to the side so I can get behind it, and then we'll do it more professional like. I should also kick around and clean all the crap out from in here to make it easier, but I'm not feeling like it, so we'll just do this. Pick the blower up so you quit dragging the stuff back there, dum-dum. Dum-dum, give me gum-gum. Now I'm hungry. Just had lunch. Sheets hot dogs and curly fries, pretty good. So this is not an impressive, I really don't want to say this out loud, but blow job. Whoa. Oh, I tightened that deflector down when I was doing them heavy banks. Just about rolled my ankle. Nice. Oh yeah, that's gonna feel good later. At least it's my left one. Hold on. One gear. Still like a gravely, you can operate the hydraulics with your left leg if you're pretty good. Just say I'm not bad. The rest of this I'll probably power broom. It's just real heavy here in front of the garage. That was third gear on high side. I never got this swept off because my truck was parked here last time. I don't know what you guys are seeing. Probably turn around and go the other way now, but oh, that's still third gear on high side. Oh, I'll just get done fast. Heck with it. It's not like it's heavy enough to matter. Back in the first gear. Go first gear low range and push into this bank. Then when I show up, I can pull right up here with my truck and get in and out the door. You don't have to, but it's handy. Okay. Now the 12's in the road. Great. Can I? If 83 would lock in reverse, this would be awesome. Oopsies. Alright. Now at least I can get over there, I think. first gear to get over there. Low range. So I think where I had this shoveled out is normally where my red truck, my 250 sits. Come on. Not actually stuck, it just acts like it. Third gear on low side. Throw it over top of the Ranger. And we'll just kind of take a little 6 or 8 inch scoop here off the edge and widen the driveway out. I didn't know PennDOT did this road. I guess this is a state road then. Huh. Interesting. I'll have to measure how far that tree is out there in the summertime, but my guess would be 75 feet. I do have to pay attention. My mom is en route somewhere, so, you know, don't want to run into her in the driveway, you know. Boys, I think that's pretty much about it. Watch for cars, hope we don't run out of fuel. That was a little heavy for that. It'll be fine. Okay, put that down so it don't end up in my face. We'll go over here. There's a little wind strip I missed. But we already got a half-inch of snow up here. The roads were just getting bad coming up into here, so. Okie dokie. I'll power broom it off real quick and then I'm gonna go inside and get warm. Well, I guess that's a lie. I'm going to get the stuff in front of the doors. It'd be nice to do it on camera, but I kind of don't want to. Well, let's eat into the ice, see what happens. This is 83, she should be able to eat it. So, go back into first gear just because frozen material. Well, that worked out, so alright. I'll park 83 under the roof and I'll finish power brooming. Polishing a turd, polishing a turd. Popping. open today unless it's got a loose battery terminal. Bristles for this thing, it'll kick ass, you know. On the side, the bristles are good. It does pretty good with the snow. Far over. Run this one-handed. You kind of got to relearn what you're doing and get stuck a little bit. Oh. I'll just run this back to the shop and call this good enough. We're only supposed to get 1 to 3, so next time I come back over I can use the snowblower reed.